you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina and I love to paper craft. I love to shop for crafty supplies and also to organize them. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, it's a project share. I am going to show you what I got from a swap hosted by Scrapnutzz in Instagram. Let's get ready and move the camera so you can watch what I got. Well, I'm finally here with the package from Scrapnutzz, and I am gonna go ahead and open this package off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so here I am with the package. I opened this up and I'm going to go ahead and, oh my goodness, oh, I love it. And let's go ahead and take a look. And I know I watch a couple of the videos, Toni's videos, Britt's videos too. And let me see, it came really nice. I believe this is from Johana, and look at that, how cute. Look at this snowflake and with a card that I am probably going to read this off camera. Let's start with, I don't know who to start with. Should we start with Johana? Johana, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. So she agreed in making the covers for us, which is like so sweet. This is just perfect. So I'm like set for 2019 Christmas mini albums, which is like so beautiful. And I know Toni was showing this, and you know what, videos sometimes do not make justice. I watched Toni's videos and it looks so beautiful, but now I have it in my hands and oh my gosh, look at this beauty. Holy smokes, how beautiful. Look at how she decorated. Gingham, some jutes, and the bells. How beautiful. And look at this detail. Oh my goodness, she is so talented. And look at that, like skis and the flowers, and it looks like she snowed the flowers and the pine cones. Oh wow, so beautiful, work of art. Look at that. And she mentioned that she was using the Frank Garcia country theme Christmas thing. I haven't even like bought it. You know, it's just, I'm still like trying to get my Halloween stuff. I'm in the Halloween mood, but it's nice that it's now ready for me to, I have no excuse now this year. I just going to be doing more mini albums. And the back and the cover, and she distressed everything. It's just so gorgeous. She gave us extra page holders, and then look at these layouts, how beautiful. Look at that detail. I love it. Love it. Definitely the most wonderful time of the year is Christmas to me, and I guess to a lot of people. So these are really cute. I can put two pictures here, and I love this die that you use for to make the ovals. They're like so beautiful. The same here, and oh my goodness, look at this pink poinsettia. To die for. Oh my goodness, and look at this bow. Oh, I have to open this up. Let me see if I can take it off the, I don't want it to destroy it, but it's just so gorgeous. Look at this, so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Thank you very much. And look at these, her goodies. Look at the packaging, and look at all these embellies. Oh my goodness, they're like chunky monkeys. Oh, look at that, so beautiful. Ooh. And I know I don't want to mess things around here. Okay, and look at that, how cute. Look at this mitten. Love it. Love the shaker. So gorgeous. And then look at this other one. Oh my goodness. This is like a magical. It's a rosette. But what a great idea. She used like a plastic, almost like a lid, and this is just gorgeous. I'm sorry, but I'm speechless. This is like so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish you guys can see this in person. This is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I guess I'm blessed that I was able to be part of this swap and joined these talented ladies. I mean, it's just amazing. And then she gave us some goodies too here. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this baggy topper. Oh my goodness. How cute. And then, so beautiful. I definitely have to go in and get this Fran Garcia Christmas collection. I'm quite behind, but so this is from Scrapnutzz, and again I'm going to leave her name of Instagram and YouTube channels in the description box below. So now let's move on to another one. I mean, she is just the creative person. She is just so talented and creative, and I love her style. This is Brittany Pochick, and also going to leave her link to her social media accounts in the description box below. And look at this. I remember watching her video, and she made this pouch. She sewed it, and I love that she put here her card. So this is her, Brittany Pochick, and love these, and love the jingle bell. And look at the detail on the bow. Nice. Look at that. She stitched everything. Everything is on the details. And then this is Velcro, and I remember she mentioning that she also put some paper just to make the flap more sturdy. Beautiful. And let's see what she sent me here. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this pillow box. How cute. I love it. Look at all the details. She stitched around. She put a snowflake foamies, 2 of them, and then Santa's, and then this is like his beard with cotton, and there you go, a little ornament here, star, and wrap it around. So beautiful. It's like, I don't want to open this up. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have probably waited for pictures, but you know me, I just wanted to open everything. And this is where her embellishments came. And look at this. Look at this. These are rosettes. How cute. Love her layering. And the other one, oh, so pretty. Super, oh, I love this mini poinsettia. So pretty, very original. I'm gonna put this inside. Oh no, maybe I should just leave these for pictures out. And probably put it over here on top. So beautiful. And these are her, oh, she gave us more embellishments. Wow, that's a lot of embellishments. Look at these. These are like wreaths that she snowed in, and another big snowflake with vellum rosette. This is so beautiful. Should I open this up? Yes, I should. So gorgeous. I mean, she is so talented. It's just so talented. Okay, there we go. I love these. So cute. I love these tags too. And look at that. So we can see them better. Look at that. She snowed everything. And oh my goodness, this is just a work of art. Thank you, Britt. And then, oh. So this is the topper. I love the reindeer. came out with these cute clothespin. And see, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, let me see what we have. I probably will do that later. And look at this, how cute. I love it. Look at that, beautiful, right? And then the other one, oh, look at the Christmas, it's so pretty, super duper cute. Oh my goodness. So this was from Brittany. And now let's open Toni's Craftpurge. I know she shows her, and she always is just another talented crafter. And oh my goodness, this is like so gorgeous. See that? Okay, so I'm gonna take these off, and look at her pages, so pretty. I love it. I remember watching her video, and I love these corners, that's how they call it. So beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. And look at this other one, the tree. Oh, and she popped it up with foam, so it's more 3D, kind of like doing like a 3D effect. Nice, nice, nice. And these are her embellies. She did a, I remember her showing how she was packaging and all that in one of her videos. But I love the poinsettia. Wow. And then this one, oh, this is gorgeous. So it's a rosette, and I remember she mentioned about buying rosettes too. That is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I love her topper too, so gorgeous. And then she gave us these 2019 Toni. Let's see what we got here. And oh, I know, matches my nail polish, right? Okay, I'm going to open this up. And oh, goodies, nice. So she gave us a very nice stamp. Oh, I don't have Santa stamps, thank you. And oh, glitter. Yes, yes, I love glitter, especially this type of chunky Christmassy glitter. Thank you, Toni. Oh my goodness, I am so happy that I was part of this swap and what I call work of art. Yes, it's just beautiful. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.